Hare Krishna, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Temple of Vedic Planetarium ki jai. From the chairman Ambrish Prabhu and the rest of the TOVP team, we are looking forward and so eager to invite all of you to Sridham Mayapur, either physically or through Mayapur TV, to log on and watch this grand mega event welcoming Srila Prabhupada. We have 4 more days to go. If you can see on my right side, there is Gauranga Mahaprabhu's 70 feet high banner which has been put. On my left hand side, there is Nityananda Prabhu's banner. So Gauranga Mahaprabhu and Nityananda Prabhu are ecstatic with their hands up, chanting the holy names. Before we go to the temple hall, we have finished Jai and Vijay are standing on the both sides of the gates, welcoming all the devotees to the temple of Vedic Planetarium. This is the Yajna Kund, where the Narsinghadev Yajna, Maha Yajna will happen. This is all done by our Gurukul boys. And we see here amazingly beautiful Srila Prabhupada worshipping the deities. Mayapur is my place of worship. This is the stage where devotees, Srila Prabhupada disciples and others would be speaking and glorifying Srila Prabhupada. And this stage is the Abhishek stage, where Srila Prabhupada would be on a Vyasasana. Currently the work is going on this stage. That's why you see there is a lot of cloths here and there are a lot of devotees who are working there. But this stage is the Abhishek stage. Now the altar is getting ready. In a day or two, the altar will be decorated with flowers and with the model murtis. Shri Radha Madhava, the Ashtasakis, we will have the Panchatattva and the Guru Parampara. All the model deities will be placed in the altar so that when devotees come, they will actually get a real feeling of the altar and the temple. Tomorrow, we will see the Prabhupada quarters, how it is being done, how it is being prepared by the devotees. They are putting their efforts in getting it ready. So please log on to Mayapur TV. Please log on to www.tovp.org. There are several Abhishek which you can sponsor: copper, gold, silver, platinum, many Abhisheks, and water Abhishek, which is only just 1,600 rupees. You can bathe Srila Prabhupada in 125 sacred river water Abhishek. We wanted to welcome Srila Prabhupada with $1 million as Guru Dakshin. Your contribution will help us to reach this goal. Also, I wanted to tell you, on the 14th of October, there is a grand program, Zoom online program. It is Sampradaya Sammelan, where we call all the Acharyas of 4 Vaishnava Sampradayas to speak in glorification of Srila Prabhupada. This is a very grand, first ever hosted program. Please watch this program without fail. And also, I wanted to bring you on that same day, on Sampradaya Sammelan, we are launching an e-site called TOVP Welcomes Srila Prabhupada, where you can perform e-Abhishek. Srila Prabhupada built a whole world, built a place where the whole world can live. We wanted the whole world to participate in doing Abhishek to Srila Prabhupada. Let us all go to this website and register ourselves and bathe Srila Prabhupada. Those who cannot come personally, let us log on to this site, and this is a free Abhishek. Let us do this Abhishek to Srila Prabhupada by logging on to this site. So please, let us do the Abhishek. Let us watch the program online, and let us all together welcome Srila Prabhupada to the temple of Vedic Planetarium. thank you all very much. From the chairman Ambrish Prabhu and the rest of the TOP team, we are very, very grateful for your participation in this program. Hare Krishna.